Hello, good day. It's a pleasure to be back here in Blue Elephant in your factory. So we are from Raguhos Construction Corporation from the Philippines. We purchased 2 units CNC and 1 unit hole drilling machine. So we come back to witness and have a training with your engineers, and it's a very productive day. We just limited time, but it's all good. The machine are running good. Then we are excited to use the machine. So much satisfied and excited, we purchased another machine, the edge banding machine model Z450 SG, and hopefully we will be having more machine in the future and more projects, business, and with you, the Blue Elephant. And it's a pleasure doing business with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tina.
Thank you.
Very good, Tina. Thank you.
And your team.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.
Galing. Pwedeng mauna yung ano sir, 45. Pwedeng ito kasi ginaganon niya rin eh. 45 niya, galing. Very nice.
Very nice.
Perfect.
Thank you.